You're gonna get your shins close to the bar, hips down, head, shoulders up. You're gonna lift from there, pull. As you're pulling shoulders back, hips going forward, right? Then on the way down, you're gonna bend the legs a bit again. You're gonna go mid shins and back up again. So in other words, we're not gonna pick it up, we're not gonna touch the floor with it until we finish, right? Yeah. Keep your head up, keep your eyes in the mirror, and don't forget to bend your legs on the way down. 4, 1, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, one more. There you go.